Hit it. Whoa! Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Mike. I'm with Blue Line HVAC here in Arizona. And on today's episode of Man Stuff, we're going to be breaking this flat screen monitor.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Look, he's got a big stick. Go ahead, hit it. Whoa! Hit it again. Nice. That's my grandson, by the way. If your AC isn't working, or maybe it just runs all day long, your electricity bill is through the roof, hit me up. I'll take good care of you guys. I'll tell you if you need a new unit or if you just need insulation. I'm really honest. I believe in God, you know, and I got a family to support.
Mike, did they touch it?
If it's broken, you can't touch it.